Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is heating lamps. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the height of the unit, it's about like 26.5 inches tall. And the length of the unit is about like 13 and 3/4 inches wide. And the inner side between the two hinges, it is about like 11 and 3/4 inches. For the overall depth of the unit is about like 17 inches. As we can see, the unit is coming with the lamps on top of the unit. For each of the lamps, they're using the BR20 sets, the connections. Now looking the side of the units, we do having the switches right here. On back of the unit, they're coming with the stickers with ETL sanitation on it. And also they're using the 110 powers. And the machine, they're running the maximum between the 350 to 500 watts. And also we're having the back screws mount on the units. This unit's height is adjustable. And for the tallest, it is about like 17.5 inches. And the lowest, it is about like 13 and 3/4 inches tall. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.